Hi again, everyone. It was so great meeting all of you, and I look forward to taking this journey with you. I just want to navigate the website a little bit. I will send I'm going to say invitations for each session, but here they are. We've decided as a group that we will be meeting at that time, preferably in the LRC, but there will be a Zoom option in case you need it. And then we have the cohort workbook. So do take a look at this, and you'll want to make a copy. And it's as easy, and I have a video on this as well, but as going to file and make a copy, because if not, we'll all be writing in the same document. So before every session, there will be work that we ask you to do. So you will complete a pre-survey, and that will just help us gauge where you are on this particular topic. LRC, or here's a link to the Zoom if you need that for a particular session. And then after the workshop, we ask that you do take a survey so that it's fresh in your mind. So take it relatively close to the workshop after. And then you will participate in a group discussion. And I'll probably ask you to do that sooner rather than later after the workshop so that we can get a discussion going about it. And then finally, you will have a proof of practice, and that will be how did you or how will you apply what you've learned. So you might link this, there will be 6 competencies. You might link this to a Google Drive, and I've shown you in a video on the website how to do that. So I hope that makes sense, and as always, feel free to reach out to me on how I can make this experience better for you. If a different format would work, I am open to that as well. So please just reach out to me via email or my cell phone. And then if we could go back to the website, I think that is it in a nutshell. If you have questions for me, don't hesitate to reach out, and I hope you have a great week. See you soon. Bye-bye.